Seatbelts, everyone.
It's time to grow. Go home.
Oh my God, what's that?
All these niggas trying to do is rest in peace.
Is that a cemetery right here? Is that a tree that fell over? Kind of weather day is this? Rolling through a cemetery. Rolling through the cemetery. I take a right hand, turn them through the cemetery. Looking at my bitches in the club in my car. Can you see my boy? What's goody? Rest in peace on this stormy day.
What? Parker.
I forgot something. I don't like the cemetery. There's only one thing I like about it. It's a good place to dance. Yo, that was a good time dancing with you boys. Now, the next task on the list. So let's cruise, boys. Driving away from the cemetery. Where to go? What to see? Respect Americans. That's enough of this video.